Today I learned how to make a shiny button component in Framer. I first started by making a new component, named it Shiny Button. In the component, I added a text object and adjusted the size to fit the context. I also wrapped the text object with a frame and adjust the frame's color and the text size. Also adding padding to the button. Next, I added inside shadow to make like a glowy effect. I lowered the opacity of the shadow to make it look more natural. Now for the shiny button effect, you want to add a new frame on the button. You have to move the frame within the button and change the position type to absolute. Then you want to change the overflow of the button to hidden. By changing the position to absolute, you can move the frame freely. Now I added a bit of rotation to the frame and also reduced the opacity. Now you add a blur effect to give that shiny visual. Move the frame to the side and then go to effects and click on loop. Now these properties you see in the loop effect are the to be property state of the loop. You can adjust the offset and the rotate. You can see how the animation moves. I want to adjust the transition, so I changed it to ease 2. And you can change the time and delay. There's many options you can customize. I also see that the frame is kind of ending at an awkward area, so I'm moving the offset to a more left side. And you can see how the shiny effect speed was and position was adjusted. I wanted to adjust it a little bit more to make it a little faster. You can see how it is applied right away. And also adjusting the rotate as well. And I also added some scale to kind of make the shine more realistic. You can also adjust the color of the shine depending on the mood of your design. Like this is like a yellowish warm shine. But I think I want a more cool feeling shine. So this is how you add a shiny button. Now let's create a hover state. Click on the component and create a hover state. You can change the color of the hover state to a brighter color and adjust the text color as well. And to give that glowy effect, you can change the shadows of the hover state button to an outside shadow and adjust the blur and spread. And you can see when you hover the button color changes and has an outer shadow that gives a glow.